Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this last minute glittering snowflake card using Rinea fold papers. First, I'm going to need frosted variety pack in silver Starstruck, sapphire Starstruck and turquoise Starstruck. Then I'm going to need beautiful Arctic Starstruck, and I absolutely love this beautiful paper because we can see all that shine. For all my cutting dies, I'm going to use Card Making Magic Square Snowflakes Festive Portals collection, and I'm also going to use that beautiful Snowflake Easel card cutting die set by Card Making Magic. And if you don't have these dies, you can use any snowflake dies you've got in your stash. I'm pretty sure you do have loads. So let's use them for our last minute beautiful Christmas card. I'm also going to need liquid glue. However, you can use double-sided tape if you want. First, I'm going to die cut all my elements, and I'm going to start with my biggest frame, and I'm going to use Sapphire Starstruck. And all the names of the products I use in today's video will be in the description down below, so you can check them out. I absolutely love that beautiful Arctic Starstruck because the shine is absolutely stunning, and you can use it for so many different techniques. As you can see, I've got silver Starstruck and beautiful turquoise Starstruck, and I'm going to die cut smaller snowflakes and also small elements for my beautiful bigger snowflake. And when this is ready, we are going to assemble all the elements together. In the description down below, I left a referral link for Rinea website, and if you use it, you'll get 10% off your purchase, and there is also a coupon code which is CRAFTINGWITHQL. So if you want to buy anything from Rinea website, I encourage you to use my code. And also I left the links to beautiful projects you can find on the Rinea website, some of my written tutorials and the design team, because the ladies make so many beautiful projects, so I really encourage you to check them out. Now I'm going to use my liquid glue, one and only magic glue, and I'm going to put it on the back of my beautiful snowflake panel. As you can see, it is pretty quick, and what's really good about liquid glue and Rinea paper, you do have time to maneuver all those elements. However, the glue dries really slowly with Rinea fold paper, but when it's dry, it is adhered forever. That's super cool. And I absolutely love these beautiful frosted variety pack papers because they work beautifully together. You get that beautiful shine when the light touches the beautiful Starstruck paper, and it is literally just snowy. I absolutely love that color combo. I wonder, have you ever used Rinea fold papers? If you have, what is your very favorite color or maybe color combination? Please let me know in the comments down below. As you can see, you can use any snowflake dies you've got in your stash. Your project will be stunning. I'm pretty sure it will be. My card is measuring 6 by 6 inches, and it is perfect, and again it is super quick and perfect for any last minute makes. And then I'm going to put my sentiment, and I die cut it from white card, and it won't be that visible on a card. However, when you move your card and it catches the light, that sentiment will really pop, because all those beautiful Rinea fold papers, they are absolutely stunning. If you haven't used them, I really encourage you to do it because they are super thin, so you can die cut 3 or 4 elements at the same time, and when you fold them, they actually keep the shape, which is absolutely fantastic. So Rinea fold paper is perfect for any home decor projects. I also wanted to tell you that tomorrow I'll have a very special birthday card with donuts, so stay tuned for that. And on a Wednesday and Thursday, I'll have absolutely special projects for you. There will be 2-part videos, one on Wednesday and 2 on a Thursday, where I'm going to show you how to create very stunning but simple stained glass window ornaments using paper. And now you can see finished project. To add a little bit of sparkle on my sentiment, I use clear overlay by Spectrum Noir. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video will inspire you to create your last minute makes for Christmas. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget about my coupon code for 10% off from the Rinea website. See you in my next video. Bye!